at the blizzard. You can't see anything. Check this out. There's nothing over there. Okay, well, I gotta get back in the car because, yeah. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Okay, I messed up big time. That shit is hella deep, and I gotta get this in there. It's all good though. That's easy. Watch this. Okay, bad news. There's no shovel, so I just have to keep walking in all the snow. This shit is really deep though. It's gonna take me a while though. No shovels. Someone took them, so I gotta do this. So around the whole car. Yep. Okay. I failed because somebody stole our shovels. So, yeah. Here, I'll show you what's going on. You could barely see, but it's on the street, and I walked in the driveway. It didn't work, so yeah. In the morning, we're gonna go and we're gonna try to get bagels, and we have beef bacon in the fridge, so we're gonna try to get some bagels in the morning, and we'll first, try to get that out, and then bagels. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. This is gonna be my impression of a dolphin, but in the snow. Ready?
Come back on the other side. You got up on the road.
Yeah.
Go back. Are you done?
No.
Well, just might as well go dig your way to my door.
Okay. Oh wait, come here. Wait, come on to this side. Watch this.
Wait, hold on.
Instead of a shovel.
Wait, the car. Okay, back into it. Oh, this is way better. Yo, just clean your car with your body.